Alright. Ready to rock and roll, guys.
Yeah. Hold on, this is for real. Whoa, yeah. Tell me why can't I be your friend for life? Ooh, yeah. You know that I'll always want to be by your side. Ooh, yes. Say you give me joy and happiness, and I feel good all over. Love and happiness, let us feel like we're turning clover. And all I ever wanted to do is be with you. Ooh, yes. With all the riches and luxuries, now will you? Ooh, yes. I'm saying that this is no disrespect, because I'm falling in love with you. It is no disrespect. What's come over you? Why can't I be your friend? Ooh, yes. Hey, tell me how can I go on and not be in love with you? Ooh, yes. Look at, see, now God gave the word, and then the word took on to itself flesh. He made the birds, he created the wind, and he made the firmament, yeah. He created the fishes in the seas, the birds and the honeybee. And he created you especially for me. Tell me why can't I be?
Turn left onto 20th Street. Continue for 3/4 of a mile.
You know that I'll always wanna be by your side.
You wanna know how an engine and a truck with 1,000,000 miles on it drive? Looking at it, 1,800,000 miles. Still driving like a baby. Still rolling like a baby. 2012 Freightliner Cascadia. Around 42,000 pounds in the trailer. We're pulling it like a baby. That's right. 1,000,000 and something miles.
In a 1/4 mile, turn right onto Chansey Road.
You hear my GPS around here too. That's right. That's right. Yeah, we don't use clutch when we're driving. No clutch around here. No clutch around here. Nope, nope, nope.
Take the next right onto Chansey Road.
Tell me how can I be your friend for life?
Continue on Chansey Road for half a mile.
Around and steering and driving. It's a mental thing. Be mentally prepared. Each time you get in this equipment, you have to be ready to focus. Looking out for anything and everything. You know what I mean? That is why I believe truck drivers, they must get what they deserve. They must get good pay. They must get good money. Because not everybody is going to get up out of their sweet ass bed beside of their nice looking girl or wife, get in an equipment, go over the road.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Florida 39 South.
Leave their kids. Leave their comfort zone to get on the road to do this. That is very dangerous. And also frustrating at times, tiring at times. Everything in the bundle, man.
Turn left onto Florida 39 South.
You know what I mean? So we should get what we deserve. Good money.
Continue on Florida 39 South for 10 miles.
Truck's still running like a baby. Always take care of your equipment, man. Do your regular service, your regular oil change. Whenever you see a truck need a parts, make sure you change that thing, man. You know what I mean? That's the only way you're gonna stay up. AC working properly. Make sure you're comfortable in your equipment. You got your music. You know what I mean? Okay. Ready?
All of my dreams come true. With you, all of my days turn blue. With you,
If you alone, you just party by yourself, have fun by yourself, entertain yourself.
I won't.
You know what I mean? Okay.
Sunshine for me. The birds that climb the trees. The bees put honey. For the children that sing. For the sweet, sweet symphony. When we live in harmony. It's a shame to see the chasing vanity. With you, all of my dreams come true. With you, all of my dreams come true.
So you gotta be able to entertain yourself. Don't mind being by yourself. You know what I mean? Stuff like that. You gotta have a circle. You gotta have some people you can call on the phone. You gotta have friends in trucking, I believe. We can call on the phone. Hey bro, what's going on the road with you? Where you at? Stuff like that. You talk about anything, man, just to keep your mind occupied, where you can stay focused on the road and just stay awake, stay alert. You get what I'm saying? trucking though, you know what I mean? I mean, you get some time by yourself, you can focus, you can work on your mind, your mental health, you know what I mean? Very important. You get to guard your mental health and your space and your life when you have time to think properly without any interference. You know what I mean? So you get to know what you want for yourself, where you want to be in life, how you want to live your life. Stuff like these, man. Because you have enough time to think who you want to have in your life, the type of circle you want to be around. You know what I mean? You get to make critical decisions. What you gotta do about your health? How you gonna fix your health? You know what I mean? Stuff like those, man. So, trucking is good. You have to work as a team. You have to have a few people in your circle where you guys work as a team, running the same lane. Because when you do that, you get to dictate your rate. Because when my friend Tom over there is booking a load for 1,500, right, for the same lane that I want to book a load, I ain't going no less than 1,500. Okay? So you get to dictate the price of your freight when you work as a team. And that is why if everybody in the trucking was working as a team, the brokers, they wouldn't be making more money than the truck drivers. Because for reality, it shouldn't be like that. There's no way a broker should be making more money than the truck driver when the truck driver have the equipment to maintain, you get what I'm saying, the insurance, you know what I mean, all the other bills that comes with it, you know what I mean. So if everybody was working as a one unit, and that is why I don't understand what's going on in trucking, where it seems like the trucking industry doesn't have a union for just the truckers, for owner operators, for truck drivers. They don't. And so everybody take disadvantage of the truck drivers them. You know what I mean? The insurance companies, they take whatever they want. The brokers, they do whatever they want. You know what I mean? The shippers, they do whatever they want. The receivers, they do whatever they want. And the truck drivers don't have any, it's like we don't have any options. We don't have any defense. We don't have any protection. You know what I'm saying? Which that's crazy, that's ridiculous. It shouldn't be like that. That's the only thing I don't like with the trucking. We don't have any protection here, man. Seems like you have to be protecting yourself and defend yourself. You know what I mean? So I tell myself, hey, whatever, man, I'm going out with a bang. No broker ain't gonna use me, no shipper ain't gonna use me. The insurance, I can't do better. So they get to escape and do whatever they want. But whatever I can fight, I'm gonna fight, bro. Yep. That is why we have to put ourselves in a position where I tell myself if I'm just gonna make my bills money, but getting what I want, that's what I'm gonna do. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I ain't gonna run no cheap freight. You know what I mean? Nope. Ain't gonna happen around here. So, it's the other boy here, guys. You know, one love, man, to all the subscribers, everybody that tuned in. You know what I'm saying? For all the likes and all of that. Give thanks, you know? Yeah, man. So I'm gonna sign out right now because my phone, it needs to be charged. So I'm gonna get some charge on my phone. One love. See y'all the boy here. Peace. I'm out.